Did you know your sneeze is faster than most sports cars? It can hit speeds of over 100 miles per hour. When you sneeze, your body releases a massive burst of air to expel irritants from your nose and throat. That burst can travel at speeds of 100 to 120 miles per hour, faster than the average car on a highway. And guess what? A single sneeze can spread up to 100,000 tiny droplets into the air. That's why it's so important to cover your mouth and nose. Crazy, right? Share this with someone who loves quirky facts, and don't forget to follow for more mind-blowing info.